In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook group. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this three line at the top right side. So now scroll to down and tap on this group section. So under this groups, all you have to do now, tap on this your group. As you can see now, this your group, tap on it. Under this your group now, go and select the group that you want to delete. So for me, here is my group that I want to delete. So after you open the group, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this one, this icon. As you can see, tap on this icon. After you tap on this icon, as you can see, now it will give you all information about the group. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says now delete group. So tap on this delete group again. So as you can see now, if you tap on this your group now, as you can see now the group it disappeared. Now I delete this group. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.